So in this video, we'll take a look how you can actually submit your prompt and get the output back from the agent. So what you can do is, just to keep things simple, in the system prompt or instructions, you can just simply say you are a helpful agent, right? You're a helpful agent, and I'll actually go in try in playground, right? So when you say try in playground, you'll say it automatically opens the agent's playground and a new thread is created for you, right? And we will look at it later into the thread details. So thread is nothing but you have a collection of messages inside the thread, right? So here we can just say you are a helpful agent. Perfect. And if rest everything stays the same, and I'll just say who is the PM of India and give a bullet points for his achievements. Right, pretty simple, right? We're just simply saying we're giving our prompt and we are asking our agent to actually give us a reply back. So yes, it says as of October 23, Prime Minister is Narendra Modi and these are his achievements. And now you can actually clearly go into the thread as well. You can see the thread files. You can see if you actually want to add your file search code interpreter, you can do that as well. And the other thing is you can see the number of tokens, right? So in the input tokens are 66 and the output tokens are 341, right? Which is quite important. And if you go back, if you go in the playgrounds also, you can see, or you can actually see in the agents as well. So this is the agent, and if I click here, I click on threads, I can see that the thread is has been created, and here you will actually see the details of the thread. So as I told you, thread is nothing but it will have a collection of the messages, right? Whatever message you are sending to the agent and what are the message the agent is sending back to the user, right? So this is where the thread, this is where your thread is created and your messages are stored. So I think now you've got a good understanding of how you can use your agent with Agents Playground. Don't worry, we'll have loads and loads of videos where we will actually look at all the different knowledge tools, how you can do it with no code option, like going through the graphical interface, and also using the Python codes. So keep watching, guys.